All right, then it's now time to look at figures from the Nigerian Exchange Limited, and the market is down today 1.97%. Gainers, we have Cheap PLC, we have Eternal Oil, we have Charms, we have eTransact, Sky Aviation. Losers for today is led by Lasaco, PZ, Wema Bank, Boa Group, Boa Cement, I beg your pardon, and Transcorp. My colleague Effiong Ekop is standing by live from the exchange that's in Customs Street, Marina, Lagos. Effiong, what more can you tell us about the performance of the market today?
So look, the market is in the negative territory on the back of a huge move for profit-taking by investors and fund managers. You noted that in the last 3 weeks, the market has been going up, 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 and that has created a huge window for investors, to take some money out of their businesses. And we know that we've had a bullish run in the last 1 month based on government policies that we have seen and the confidence returning back to the market and the economy that we expect to jumpstart. And all of these have influenced activities in the market in a very positive way. I should say that as at Friday last week, investors were known to have taken, profits on their investments cumulatively above 4 trillion naira within just that month. It's a rare achievement. And so this particular one that we've seen market closing close to 2% down is just for profit taking. There is nothing to fear at all. So look.
All right, then let's hang on. Let me get Mr. Rotimi Fakayejo to join this conversation. Mr. Fakayejo is a stockbroker and financial analyst. Mr. Fakayejo, the market is down today. How are you going to react to this?
Oh, well, I think it's quite instructive that a time like this will come. And maybe to start with, what I would say is the stability and the liquidity of the market was tested today. And I will convincingly tell you that that test was positive for the market. Close to 12 billion was traded in about 12,000 deals. And we've seen the price come down. But at the same time, there was hardly a stock that closed on offer. We say a stock closed on offer when at a time when there is no investor willing to buy on that day, but it didn't happen today. So, but for the extent to which the market dropped today, the trio of Nestle, MTN, and Boa Cement were responsible for a loss of about 500 billion naira in the market capitalization. Then coupled with a lot of banking sector stocks also losing in prices. So definitely what we've seen today is something that needs to happen for investors to be assured that the market is really, really very, very strong and can withstand whatever pressure at any time. So with this kind of situation, I don't see it lasting long. If we see a repeat of this tomorrow, it won't be as much as this, but I believe by about Thursday, we'll have the market back on the street.
All right, I must thank you, Mr. Fakayejo. Thanks so much for your contributions as usual on the program.
Welcome.
All right, there. Effiong, what more do you have to tell us as we wrap up the segment of the show?
So, Lou, we had some visitors here in the market shortly before we rang the bell. They were from the Nigerian Bar Association, the business segment of that organization. They came in here to meet market operators and stockbrokers, welcome them fervently. They told us that they have been planning for a 3-day conference that begins in Lagos tomorrow through Friday. And they made it known that we've been having loss in Nigeria, and what is worrying is the extent to which we've been working and interpreting these laws for the good of the society. And so law and business, according to them, should move in the direct direction. So now that the new government is in place, I think they believe it is the right time for them to sensitize government to work with lawyers and then the business community also. And so things will work in a very good way. So I think that the conference, at the end of it, they will issue a communique that will bring businessmen and lawyers to a closing table, and they move the economy in the right direction. They were really welcomed here on the floor, and I think I would like to talk with one or two of them after closing this session with you, Tolu.
All right, there. Thank you so much, Effiong Ekop. Do good. We'll see you after when you return back to the studio. And be good. Stay safe.